Immune boosters. Feeding your body certain foods may help keep your immune system strong. If you're looking for ways to prevent winter colds and the flu, your first step should be a visit to your local grocery store. Plan your meals to include these powerful immune system boosters. Ginger tea. If you want to give your immune system a boost, for example, because you feel a cold coming on, try a hot tea to sweat out the virus. Combine 1 ounce fresh sliced ginger, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 3 cloves, 1 slice of lemon, and 1/2 liter of water. Put the ingredients in the water and bring to a boil. Simmer for 15 minutes. Strain, sweeten with organic honey to taste and drink 1 cup every 2 hours. Juicing fresh turmeric and ginger. The juice of fresh turmeric and ginger has the potential to enhance the body's immune response. By acting as an antimicrobial, turmeric and ginger help fight against invading viruses and bacteria. Have a glass of one of these homemade juices. Carrot, apple and fresh ginger juice. Zucchini, apple and fresh turmeric juice. Turmeric. This bright yellow, bitter spice has been used for years as an anti-inflammatory in treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. High concentrations of curcumin, which gives turmeric its distinctive color, can help decrease exercise-induced muscle damage. Meditating. Practicing meditation daily can enhance antibody production. Antibodies are designed to recognize foreign bacteria and viruses, and signal immune system cells to attack foreign pathogens. Reducing sugar. The World Health Organization recommends no more than 6 teaspoons of added sugar each day. Sugar from any source reduces immune system function. It's tough at holiday time to cut back on sweets, but try alcohol-free vanilla liquid stevia to help curb added sugar consumption. Cold plunging. There is evidence that taking cold plunges daily, either in a bath or shower, significantly increases the concentration and activity of immune system cells. Intersperse a hot shower with blasts of cold water to take advantage of this. Citrus fruits. Most people turn to vitamin C after they've caught a cold. That's because it helps build up your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells. These are key to fighting infections. Because your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for continued health. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. Raw garlic. This superfood has very strong antimicrobial and antiviral properties. The potent sulfur compound allicin is known to treat serious infections such as SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and kill parasites and yeast infections. At the first sign of an infection, start taking 1 raw garlic clove daily or use concentrated allicin extract. Manuka honey. The benefits of honey as a natural immune booster, natural anti-inflammatory agent, and antimicrobial agent, Manuka honey in particular is well known. It is even registered as a wound care product in Australia. Manuka honey has substances that can kill bacteria topically, and when ingested, it can even work synergistically with antibiotics to improve their efficacy. Bone broth. The benefits of drinking and cooking with organic bone broth have far-reaching effects on the immune system. The natural gelatin, collagen, and amino acids tend to the gut, improve wound healing, and help support the health of individual immune cells such as lymphocytes. There is good reason to drink real homemade chicken soup when dealing with a cold or the flu. Red bell peppers. Ounce for ounce, red bell peppers contain twice as much vitamin C as citrus. They're also a rich source of beta-carotene. Besides boosting your immune system, vitamin C may help maintain healthy skin. Beta-carotene helps keep your eyes and skin healthy. Oregano oil. This oil has a long history of being used as an antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal. It can also be used topically to treat antibiotic-resistant staph infections of the skin as well as taken internally to combat yeast infections. Kiwi fruit. Kiwis are naturally full of essential nutrients, including folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts white blood cells to fight infection, while kiwis' other nutrients keep the rest of your body functioning properly. Broccoli. Broccoli is filled with vitamins and minerals. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as many other antioxidants and fiber. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible or, not at all. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamin C. It's also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. Similar to broccoli, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. However, light cooking enhances its vitamin A, and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid. Taking probiotics. The gut acts as a barrier, protecting the body from harmful bacteria and viruses that are unwittingly ingested. The gut houses 50% of your immune system cells, and consuming probiotics from foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt and supplements can enhance the function of your immune system and help prevent illness. Yogurt. Look for yogurts that have live and active cultures printed on the label, like Greek yogurt. These cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. Try to get plain yogurts rather than the kinds that are pre-flavored and loaded with sugar. You can sweeten plain yogurt yourself with healthy fruits and a drizzle of honey. Almonds. Vitamin E is key to a healthy immune system. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. Nuts, such as almonds, are packed with the vitamin and also have healthy fats. A half-cup serving, which is about 46 whole, shelled almonds, provides nearly 100% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin E. Green tea. Both green and black teas are packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. Green tea really excels in its levels of epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, another powerful antioxidant. EGCG has been shown to enhance immune function. The fermentation process black tea goes through destroys a lot of the EGCG. Green tea, on the other hand, is steamed and not fermented, so the EGCG is preserved. Green tea is also a good source of the amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine aids in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells. Papaya. Papaya is also loaded with vitamin C. You can find 224% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single papaya. Papayas also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papayas have large amounts of potassium, B vitamins, and folate, all of which are beneficial to your overall health. Poultry. Chicken soup is more than just a feel-good food with a placebo effect, it helps improve symptoms of a cold and also helps protect you from getting sick in the first place. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, is high in vitamin B6. About 3 ounces of light turkey or chicken meat contains 40 to 50% of your daily recommended amount of B6. Vitamin B6 is an important player in many of the chemical reactions that happen in the body. It's also vital to the formation of new and healthy red blood cells. Stock or broth made by boiling chicken bones contains gelatin, chondroitin, and other nutrients helpful for gut healing and immunity. Shellfish. Shellfish are packed with zinc. Zinc doesn't get as much attention as many other vitamins and minerals, but our bodies need it so that our immune cells can function as intended. Don't have more than the daily recommended amount of zinc in your diet. For adult men, it's 11 mg, and for women, it's 8 mg. Too much zinc can actually inhibit immune system function. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are full of nutrients, including phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B6. They're also incredibly high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E is important in regulating and maintaining immune system function.